Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 8.3. Question number 3 says the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. There is one city in which total number of people residing in that city, it decreased from 25,000. That is, it was before the decrease it was 25,000. When the population decreased, it became 24,500, and they told us to find out the percentage in decrease. So we have to find out in percentage the amount which is decreased. We are supposed to find out in percentage, and whenever they ask you to find out the percentage decrease or increase, you are supposed to find out the decrease amount or the increase amount of the respective question. So here it is decrease in population of the city that we are supposed to find out, so that we can find out percentage in decrease. So let us start. We will solve like this. Initial population we will write first. Initial population of the city is equal to 25,000. Decrease population of the city is equal to 24,500. These two they have given us. So we will find out. Therefore, decrease in population, how much decrease is there, that we are supposed to find. So decrease in population is equal to, it was 25,000 minus the number in decrease, it is 24,500. So finally we will get the decrease in population is 500. Since we have the value of the decrease, we can now find out decrease percentage, and formula to find out decrease percentage. Therefore decrease percentage is equal to whatever the decrease amount, we are supposed to write in numerator. Then at the beginning, what was the amount, that we are supposed to write in denominator, and multiply it by 100 and put the percentage sign, that we will get our percentage decrease. So we will calculate 2 zeros from 100 and 2 zeros from 25,000. Now 250 1za and 250 2za. So can I write percentage decrease is equal to 2%, right? So finally I will write, therefore the percentage decrease in population is 2%. Hope you have understood. Now let me write question number 4 first. Okay. So question number 4 is like this. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to rupees 3,70,000. One guy named Arun, he bought one car for rupees 3,50,000. The same car next year went up to 3,70,000. That means the price of the car rised, that is, it increased. Now question is, what was the percentage of price increased? So whatever the increase in price, we are supposed to find the percentage of that increased price. And to find out the percentage of the increased price, we must be knowing the amount of increase. So first of all we will find the amount in increase and then put in the formula, and then we will get our answer. So I will write like this. Initial price of car is equal to rupees 3,50,000. Increased price of the car, increased price of the car. Now the car, when it increase, its price is rupees 3,70,000. Therefore, increased in price, increased in price, how much it increased, that price is equal to 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000. And how much is it? It is 20,000, right? Rupees 20,000 it increased. Since we have got increased amount in price 20,000, now we can find percentage increase. So I will write, therefore percentage of increased price, of increased price is equal to, same formula, before it was decrease amount, so here it is increase amount. We will write the increase amount above. Below we will write the original price, that is 3,50,000 into 100 and put the percentage sign. 2 zeros of 100 and 2 zeros of 3,500. Again 2 zeros of 3,500 and 2 zeros of 200. Now solving further, let me first write 200 divided by 35. 5 sevens are and 5 40s are. So I got 40 by 7 percentage, which in mixed fraction if I write, it will be 7 5s are 35 plus 5. 7 5s are 35 plus 5 percentage. Even you can write down in decimal form also. So we will write, therefore the percentage of price increased was 5 integer 5 by 7 percentage. So this was very easy questions, question number 3 and 4. Hope you have understood the explanation. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.